Want to see your shirt designs jump off the screen and onto a realistic tee? First, find or create a shirt template in Illustrator. A simple Google search for shirt template vector will give you tons of options. We'll be using the direct selection tool to reshape the neck, sleeves, and hem, giving it a more natural, less symmetrical look. Slight imperfections make it believable. Now, drag and drop your design onto the shirt, position it where you want it to appear on the final product, scale it appropriately using the selection tool. This is where the magic happens. Select your design and in the transparency panel, change the blend mode to multiply. This allows the texture of the shirt to show through your design, creating a more integrated look. Experiment with different blend modes to see what looks best. If the effect is too strong, reduce the opacity of your design layer in the transparency panel. A subtle effect often looks the most realistic. Play with the opacity until you get the desired result. Create a rectangle behind the shirt and apply a subtle black to transparent gradient. This will act as a soft shadow and add depth to your mockup. Lower the opacity of the shadow to make it look natural. And there you have it, a realistic shirt mockup in Adobe Illustrator. This is a great way to showcase your designs to clients, visualize products for your online store, or simply see your creations come to life. Now go get creative.